welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this dreamy makeup look. Dream your dreams with open eyes and make them come true. Let's get started. First, I'm priming my eyes with heart shape tape and I'm going to use a sponge to blend it out. Then I'm going in with the James Charles palette, taking the shade Single and placing it on the outer corners of my eyes. Taking the shade Pinkity Drinkity and placing that right above the shade Single so that it has a nice blend. Next, I'm going to use Nars Soft Matte Concealer and I'm creating a cut crease with it. It's a little tricky because I don't have a cut crease already, but I'm going slowly and making sure that it's not too high or not too low when creating it. Taking the shade Tune, I'm applying this on top of the cut crease that I just made. Going back in with the shade Single, I'm using a smaller brush to apply it on the inner corners of the eyes. Now I'm going to be using the Faceshop's Ink-Proof Brush Liner to line my eyes. Then I'm just going to be curling both sides of my lashes. It is time for falsies! I'm using my lash line Relux Beauty. This lash is called Dream. It is perfect if you like your lashes fluffy and dramatic. I will have the link in the description box down below so you can purchase a pair of these lashes. Moving on to the face, I'm going in with Pinkity Drinkity and placing it all on my cheeks. Next, taking Single, I'm placing it on the sides of my nose and blending it with the pink. Going in with the shade Brother, I'm placing it right on top of the previous color. Now I'm going to be using a white no smudge cream makeup to draw on some clouds. This is probably not the best product to use just because it is harder to use when it comes to blending, but it's all I had and I tried my best to work with it. Taking the shade Tune, I'm blending it under the clouds that I just made. I'm going to be highlighting using Fenty Beauty's Hustler Baby, starting with the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, and lastly the chin. For lips, I'm using Ciaté in Candy, and oh my gosh, I am obsessed with the shade. It not only matches my hair, but it just ties in the whole dreamy look. This is the final look. Don't stop dreaming and I'll see you in my next video.